Good morning, students. In grammar pronoun chapter, we had finished up to the exercise E. Now we have to start from exercise F. In question number F, you have to change the statement into questions by using interrogative pronouns. So, first let me tell you, there are more ways of making questions from each statement. So, my answers are not the final answer. If you have done or you have made in another questions from the same statement, then it doesn't mean that you are wrong. You must be grammatically correct. Okay, so my answers are, once again I'm repeating, my answers are not the final answer. If I'm telling the answer, it doesn't mean that you are wrong. If you make the different question from the same statement, then maybe you will be right. So first we will start from the F1. She greeted the guest with a smile. Its question may be, whom did she greet with a smile? Whom did she greet with a smile? Number 2, the government is going to call for a total ban on liquor. The government is going to call for what? The government is going to call for what? Number 3, the skaters are gliding over the ice. Number 3's question is, what are the skaters doing? Number 4, they sent some flowers to me. What did they send you? What did they send you? Since there is did, so if there is did, we just change the B2 to B1. So sent, the B1 of sent is send, S-E-N-D. Now question number 5. These questions are to be answered. Its question is, which questions are to be answered? Question number 6. They don't want to leave the house. What do they not want? What do they not want? Now question number 7. I will take the first bus. What will you take? The question for this statement is, what will you take? Now number 8. You can keep the book for a week. Question is, how long I can keep the book? How long I can keep the book? I have changed the subject from you to I, because if it is question, if you answer this question, I must change to you. How long I can keep the book? So you can keep the book for a week, because someone is asking a question from I, so it becomes you when it gives the answer. Now number 9, the duck was trapped in the weeds. Question is, where was the duck trapped? Number 10, Tara Singh saved the child from drowning. Whom did Tara Singh save? S-A-V, not saved, only save. Number 11, I plan to take the early morning flight. Its question is, what do you plan? Number 12, the tailor sent the stitched clothes last evening. When did the tailor send the stitched clothes? When did the tailor send the stitched clothes? Number 13, Ragini gave the check to Mayank. Its question is, whom did Ragini give the check? Whom did Ragini give the check? Now 14, he bought the house with red roof. Now its question is, what did he buy? What did he buy? Now number 15, birds love to build their nests in this tree. Its question is, what do the birds love? What do the birds love? Now, question number G. Correct the errors in use of pronouns. I himself made the pie. So, just cut himself and write myself there. The pronoun which used for I is myself. Now, question number 2. He called mine yesterday. Cut mine and write me there. So, the sentence is, he called me yesterday. These clothes are us. Cut us and write are. These clothes are our. Now, number 4. I was at home all day. Anybody came. Cross anybody and write nobody. So the sentence is, I was at home all day. Nobody came. Everything love Pia. Just cut everything and write everyone. Everyone loves Pia. Everyone loves Pia. Write S there in love. Everyone loves Pia. Now, number 6. We send each other Christmas card. We send each another Christmas card. Cut another and write other. Just cross another and write other. So the sentence is, we send each other Christmas cards. Now 7. His mother just retired. Hers was a teacher. So cross hers and write she. She was a teacher. Number 8. I am late. She would be waiting for mine. Cut mine and write me. So the sentence is, I am late. She would be waiting for me. Now number 9. I saw Seema and Pratik, but them did not see mine. Cut them and mine. Instead of them, we will write they. But they did not see. Just cut mine and write there me. But they did not see me. Now number 10. Hello, I am Rudra and this is my sister Priya. Us live in Kailas colony. So cut this and write she. Just cut us and write we. So the sentence is, hello, I am Rudra and she is my sister Priya. We live in Kailas colony.